Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 24. If we start with this box, we're missing 2 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 2, 9. For this box, we're missing 2, 7, and 8. We've got 2 and 8 here, so this is our 7. 8 here, so 2, 8. For this box, we're missing 3, 4, and 6. We've got 3 and 4 here, so this is our 6. 4 here, so 3, 4. For this column, we're missing 4, 5, and 6. We've got a 4 covering here and a 4 covering here, so our 4 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 5, 6, 5, 6. For this column, we're missing 1, 3, and 6. No help here. 1, 3, 6. 3 here, so 1, 6, and no help here. 1, 3, 6. For this column, we're missing 1 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 1, 9, 1, 9. For this column, we're missing 1 and 6, and I don't see any help. So 1, 6, 1, 6. For this column, we're missing 2, 3, 7, and 9. We've got 2 and 7 here, so 3, 9. 2 and 3 here, so 7, 9. 3 and 7 here, so 2, 9. And the 3 and 7 here, so 2, 9. So now if we look back, the only place the 3 can be is here, and the only place the 7 can be is here. And that means in this box, the only place the 9 can be is here, and that 9 makes this our 1, 6. We can get rid of this 6 and this 6. For this bottom row, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 4. For this column now, we're missing 5, 7, and 9. We've got 7 and 9 here, so this is our 5. That 7 makes this our 9, 7. That 5 makes this our 6, 5. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 2 here, so 1, 2. That 1 makes this our 6, 1. And that 1 then makes this our 3, 1. For this top row now, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 1. For this row, we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 6 here, so 7, 6. For this row, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 8, 9. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 4 here, so 9, 4. That 9 makes this our 2, 9. For this row now, we're missing 3. Uh-oh. We're missing 3 and 6, but we've already got a 6 here. Try this row. We've got 2 4s in this box. So what did we miss here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This should be a 6. which would make this a 1 and 6. All right. Then that's a 1. All right. That'll do it for today's puzzle. If you saw where the mistake was, leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.